up, my simple cooks? It's Johnny here, helping you build your confidence in the kitchen, one video at a time. Today, we are making one of my favorite dishes of all time, shakshuka. It's hearty, it's full of flavor, and packed full of vegetables. If there's anything you're making this weekend, make it this dish. Last time I made this dish was actually for my mum's birthday last year, and she absolutely loved it. And hopefully, you love it just as much as she did. So, let's get into it. Before we start any cooking, we're going to do a bit of mise en place. Mise en place is a French word we use in cooking for having all your ingredients prepped and ready to go before we start cooking. So we're going to finely dice 1 onion, 1 red pepper, or capsicum as us Australians like to call it. For the capsicum, cut it into quarters, break off the stem, wash it under water to get rid of all those seeds. What you're left with is a gorgeous piece of red pepper. Slice the pepper into nice thin strips, stack them together and cut horizontally into nice little pieces. And a clove of garlic. Now, once we've got our mise en place finished, let's get this show on the road and start our cooking. Heat your pan on a medium-high heat and chuck in your onion and garlic first to get a nice color. Saute down the onions for about 2 minutes, add half a teaspoon of chili flakes, and then go in with your red pepper. So we're cooking these down for 5 minutes until the onion is caramelized and the pepper is nice and soft. This technique is called sauteing. Whilst our vegetables are cooking away, we're going to finally chop up some coriander to garnish at the end. This will give the dish a wonderful fresh aroma at the end. Now, this dish is meant to be packed with flavor, so we're going to need to spice this baby up. Season generously with salt, pepper, 1 heaped teaspoon of cumin, and 1 teaspoon of paprika. Ooh, I wish this camera could detect smell because it is smelling good. Mix in the seasoning and pour in your can of tomatoes. And there we have our shakshuka base. Bring that sauce up to a boil, then lower it down to a low heat. You need to stop the sauce from boiling before you add in the eggs, otherwise the eggs are going to break. Now that it's nice and calm, make 5 indents in the sauce and crack the eggs in. Cover the pan with a lid and let it simmer for 15 minutes. What I love most about this recipe is how hearty this dish is with plenty of sauce. So we need some bread to serve it so that we have something to mop up all that deliciousness. While the eggs are poaching in that delicious sauce, grab a few slices of bread, toast them up in a pan with a drizzle of olive oil. Ooh, yes! This egg is looking perfect. The egg whites are just set and you can see the yolk is still nice and soft, so you know it's still runny. To finish it off, just garnish with your coriander. And there we have it. Brilliant, wonderful shakshuka. And that, my friends, is how you cook a pretty kick-ass brunch. Cook this on the weekend, guys. Get your friends, get your family around the table and share some delicious food. That's what cooking is all about. Great food and great company. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, guys. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Let me know in the comments down below what other recipes you'd like to see on this channel. Also, if you want to see the next episode, subscribe down below. On this channel, we upload videos about simple recipes and cooking techniques that help you get more confident in the kitchen. Anyways, I'm out. Vicky, would you like some as well?
I obviously would. Don't give him any onions.
It's good, yeah?